Getting started today by setting down some hash brown patties. Then we're gonna grab hell of a good dip. Grab yourself your favorite French onion dip. Man, let me tell you what, I remember my mom buying this stuff always when I was a kid. It was like, this is what we grew up on. And now watch what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take a little dollop of some dip here and place it right on top of our hash brown patties. Oh yeah. You guys, this is an absolute must try. If you haven't ever done this, this is here for you. Wow, this dip is so good. So once you have those on there, you're just gonna grab your French onion and just spread it all over the top. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. I'm moving right along here pretty quickly, and that's okay, but I want a good layer of this dip right here on top. When this bakes into this hash brown, it is going to be delicious. These are looking absolutely fantastic. I can't hardly wait. Oh my gosh, this dip is so good. I'm gonna save the rest of that for later. And for now, I'm gonna grab some cheddar jack cheese. Of course, you can switch up this cheese part, put whatever you want, but I'm gonna do some cheddar jack, and I'm just gonna lay it right on top of that French onion dip. You see how that just kind of sticks right in there? If some falls off, no big deal, right? It's not the end of the world. It is going to turn out fabulous. So grab yourself some cheese and just put a nice layer of your favorite cheese right on top of your favorite French onion dip. Also, let us know in the comments, you guys, what are you choosing and what's your favorite French onion dip, actually, most importantly, because like we all need to know. Tell us the secret. Now get ready, because we are about to make them even better with some bacon bits right here. Oh yeah, you can of course like make your own bacon if you want. That's definitely an option, but I'm gonna do the easy way here and just sprinkle some of this bacon right on top. And the bacon bits are just kind of like my go-to a lot of times because they're so easy, they're already prepared. I love that they're in small pieces, but to each their own, and it's totally fine whatever you want to choose. I'm gonna put a hefty amount, and then also, I mean, maybe you're not even gonna use bacon bits. Maybe you have other ideas for toppings, which if you do, for sure, share them with us in the comments. Allow us to get some more ideas off of all of your great ideas. And in the meantime, I'm gonna load these suckers up with some bacon. These look so amazing, and they are ready for action. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes, and you gotta see these, man. You are gonna love these things. I don't know if I'm gonna say they're kind of like a potato skin, or would this be a breakfast thing? I'm not really sure, but they are delicious. Oh yeah, baby. Look at those. I am speechless. They look phenomenal. All of that French onion dip locked and loaded in there with this cheese and the bacon. I'm gonna lift this up here. Look at that. Look at all of that good stuff right there. Just loaded into this golden brown hash brown. You know what? I am definitely ready to dig into this, but I'm gonna need David's help. So babe, come over here and give these a try with me.
On my way.
All right, awesome.
Woo.
I am super stoked about these. So easy. Cheers. Crunchy, cheesy bacon. That's like a flavor bomb in your mouth.
Like fireworks.
Oh my gosh. The French onion on top of that is so good. I don't know if I'm gonna say like this is a potato skin. I mean, are you eating this for something for breakfast, an appetizer? I think an appetizer, it definitely reminds me of a potato skin, but in like a way more fun, way. So we're gonna scarf these down, you guys. We're gonna share them with the neighbors, and we'll see you later. Let us know if there's anything that you're gonna do different. We'll have that recipe linked for you in the comments. Enjoy.